Welcome to the Plant Farm 8 YouTube channel. Apple trees need at least 8 hours of sun per day during the growing season. Two varieties are required for successful pollination. Dwarf apple trees will start bearing fruit 2 to 3 years after planting. Standard-sized trees can take up to 8 years to bear fruit. Prune annually to keep apple trees healthy and productive. To find out more about how to grow apples, watch the video until the end and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos on sustainable gardening practices. Apples are pollinated by insects, with bees and flies transferring pollen from flowers of one apple tree to those of another. Apples require pollen from a different apple variety to grow fruit, so you need to have at least 2 trees planted in the proximity. Most apple trees are grafted onto dwarfing rootstocks and only grow to be about 8 to 10 feet tall. Apple trees require full sun, so choose a spot where the sun shines directly on the tree for at least 8 hours each day. Have your soil tested to determine pH. pH of the soil should be between 6 and 7. Apple trees can grow in most soils as long as there is no standing water. Avoid planting in areas where water stands for several hours after a rain. Dig a hole for each tree that is no deeper than the root ball and about twice as wide. You might mix in up to 1/3 volume compost, peat moss, or other organic matter. Most of what goes back in the planting hole should be the soil you took. There is no need to add fertilizer. Position each tree so that the graft union is about 4 inches above the soil line. Spread the roots of bare root trees, making sure none are bent. After the hole is filled, thump gently and water thoroughly to remove remaining air pockets. The soil might settle an inch or 2. If this happens, add more soil. A good rule of thumb for a garden fruit tree is to provide at least as much horizontal space as the anticipated height of the tree. So if your tree will grow up to 8 feet high, make sure there are 8 feet between it and the next tree. Planting trees too close together will increase shading and reduce the number and quality of the fruit coming from your tree. Throughout the life of the tree, you should water its root zone thoroughly during the growing season, whenever there is a dry spell. Ideally, the tree should receive 1 inch of water from rainfall or irrigation every week from May through October. It's a good idea to stake the tree for the first few years. Either a wooden or metal stake will work. A stake should be about the height of the tree after being pounded 2 feet into the ground. Use a wide piece, non-abrasive material to fasten the tree to the stake. Avoid narrow fastenings such as wire or twine, as they might cut into the bark. Planting is a good time to install a tree guard. Nitrogen is normally the only mineral nutrient that needs to be added on an annual basis and can be added using compost. The branches of non-bearing young apple trees will normally grow 12 to 18 inches per year, while the branches of bearing apple trees will grow 8 to 12 inches in a season. If growth exceeds these rates, apply no compost at all, as too much growth can keep fruit from developing, and large growth is more susceptible to fire blight infection. For the first 3 to 5 years, grass and weeds should be removed from about a 3-foot radius around the tree. Grasses can deplete soil moisture rapidly and will reduce tree growth. Applying a few inches of mulch around the base of the tree will help prevent weeds. Keep the mulch a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rodent damage and fungal growth. Remove diseased, broken, or dead branches. Remove any downward growing branches. If two limbs are crossed, entangled, or otherwise competing, remove one of them completely at its base. Remove any limbs along the trunk that are bigger in diameter than the trunk. Remove suckers coming up from the roots or low on the trunk. Remove vigorous vertical branches called water sprouts. When the background color begins to change from green to a greenish yellow color, the apple is starting to ripen. Pick a few apples that seems ripe and test them to be sure they're at the right ripeness you prefer. As apples ripen, starch in the flesh is converted to sugar. An unripe apple will be starchy and leave a sticky film on your teeth. A ripe apple might still be tart, but it should have developed aromatic flavors. You might need to pick the fruit from the same tree several times over the course of a week or two in order to get all the fruit at the right stage of maturity. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.